Hey, so today I'm going to be reviewing SplitTest Monkey, which is going to help us use kind of incremental improvements to split test landing pages, products, images, and all that jazz to help us make more money. So let's jump in and have a look. Chris here from Chris Profits. Thanks so much for checking out this product review. I'm going to give you an honest opinion on whether it's a good investment for you. Just quickly though, before we get started, if you'd like to work with my own internet marketing coaches, Trevor, Fergal, and Max of the 100K Alliance, the guys who basically helped me build my online business from 0 all the way up to 10K per month, then check that out from the first link in the description for this video. It is super affordable, but most importantly for me, the guys really want you to succeed and they will help you every step of the way. Now, back to the product review. You can grab the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'm going to give you over $1,000 worth of bonuses. So bonus 1 is the List Prodigy course, which helps you get traffic on tap to all of your offers. Then the next bonus is AI Prodigy for how to build a monetized faceless YouTube channel for building passive income that way. Bonus 3 is 150,000 stock images, so you always have the right image for your sites and your products. Bonus 4 is the high ticket sales secrets course, because that's where the real money is. And bonus 5 is the 6-figure business owner masterclass, a full course on how to build your internet marketing business from the ground up. Anyway, thank you for your patience listening to all that. Let's jump in to the product review to see if it's worth the money. So who is SplitTest Monkey for? Well, if you are building an email list, if you're selling products, if you're an affiliate marketer, if you're a social media marketer, media buyer, store owner, blogger, author, publisher, you need to split test things in order to understand what works and what doesn't. And that's what SplitTest Monkey will help you do. Now, in a second, I'm going to show you the product in action so you can see how quick and easy it is to split test things. But let's just have a look at some of the specific things you could use SplitTest Monkey for. You can use it for testing landing page conversion rates. You can use it for sales page video test. You can use it to see what gets clicks in the sidebar on a blog, and a whole host of other uses. Now, whenever you purchase the product, you get unlimited split tests, unlimited visitors. There really is no limit to how much you can use the product. It has built-in reporting function and VIP level support. Also, as well as the $1,000 worth of bonuses that I'm giving away if you click on the product via my link, the guy who built SplitTest Monkey is also going to give you 3 of his own bonuses. So SplitTest Made Easy, 6 P's of conversion, and copywriting crash course. So just some extra resources to help you with building out the various landing pages and products and emails that you can then obviously split test with SplitTest Monkey. So that who can use it, that's what you can use it for. Let's jump in to a product demo and see SplitTest Monkey in action.
All right, guys, welcome to this quick demo of the new SplitTest Monkey web app. Now, I really wanted to push this software to the limit to see exactly what it's capable of and whether it's as cool as everybody says it is. So I'm actually going to see not only what it can do, but also how quick and easy it is to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and start my timer in a second here, and what we're going to do is we're going to see how long it takes to do a standard split URL test. We're going to be testing between this landing page, variation A, and this landing page, variation B. I'm going to come over here to the dashboard. I'm going to hit start on my clock, and we're going to go to create new split URL test. We'll give it a name. We'll call it my split URL test. We're going to leave test type at auto optimizer. That's my favorite because SplitTest Monkey handles everything for you. But you can learn about the other 2 versions right up here in the help section. Now, there's no winner yet. We're going to leave it at minimum 100 conversions before a winner is chosen. Minimum 14 days. We'll let it run that long. 95% confidence. This little field here allows you to actually calculate the financial values of your test results. So let's say that each conversion for you is $10. You could put that in here or something like that. Seems pretty cool. It's just optional, in-house kind of stuff. I'm going to leave that blank for our purposes. We're going to go over here. We're going to put the variation A URL as our override URL in case the test is not running at any given time. Come over here, URL 1, same URL, variation A. URL 2 is going to be variation B. We could add more URLs with this button here. I'm satisfied with a test between these 2 right now, though, so we're going to go ahead and hit save and publish. And this is the URL we're going to be actually sending traffic to. This is the URL that we're going to actually use to test. So we're going to come on over here to the thank you page. We're going to come over here in the body. We're going to paste that little tiny snippet right into the body of our code. Simple as Control V. I'm going to go ahead and hit stop on the stopwatch. We are at 1 minute and 19 seconds. Pretty cool, okay? Most of you guys are probably thinking that was super cool, and it was pretty cool, but I want to push this software even further and see what else we can accomplish in that same amount of time. So, what if I'm not testing a landing page? What if I want to test an individual element, like maybe a banner image on a homepage of my blog? Well, luckily, SplitTest Monkey allows you to do that as well with a feature called Dynamic A/B Split Testing, or Dynamic A/B Testing. So let's find out how cool SplitTest Monkey really is. I'm going to set up a test between this banner ad on my blog right here and this banner ad, which is a little bit different. Okay, so we're going to come on over here to the dashboard. We're going to X out of this. We're going to come to Create New. I'm going to start the stopwatch once again right now, and we'll go to Create New A/B Dynamic Test. We're going to give it a name. We'll go with My A/B Test. Auto-optimize again. No winner yet. 100 conversions, 14 days, 95%. We'll leave the conversion values blank once again. Now I happen to have my element code snippet right here. If you guys are ever concerned about code snippets, if code makes you uncomfortable at all, trust me, they call it SplitTest Monkey for a reason. It's so easy a monkey could do it, okay? If you ever have any trouble with codes like this, it's surprisingly easy, but go ahead and come up here to the help section and the SplitTest Monkey team will get you sorted out in no time. So we're going to use that same override element as element number 1, and in element number 2, I happen to know offhand that the only difference between the image file name is that there's a 2 at the end, so I'm going to change that. We're good. We could add more elements with this add more button. I don't need to. I'm satisfied with the test between these two, so I'm going to go ahead and hit save and publish. Okay, element snippet code. We're going to go ahead and replace that banner image on my blog page here with this little snippet with an HTML shortcode widget. Okay, the next thing we need to do is grab this conversion snippet, and we're going to come on over here to the landing page, okay? Now this is where it all comes together. Does this landing page look familiar? Yep, that's where the banner ad leads to. We're going to come over here, we're going to add it to the body, we're going to hit done, I'm going to stop the stopwatch, and boom. 1 minute, 27 seconds. That is pretty incredible. Guys, that's about the same amount of time as the first test we set up. Hopefully you're beginning to see the value of this, okay? We just used SplitTest Monkey to optimize both a banner ad and the landing page that it sends traffic to. This kind of testing can be one of the most impactful things you do for your business, and you saw it yourself. We did it all in a matter of seconds right here with SplitTest Monkey. Now that is cool.
I really hope that's helped you come to a decision on this one. Remember, if you choose to go ahead and grab it, you will get those 5 bonuses worth over $1,000 if you click on the second link in the description of this video. And also, just finally, remember, if you would like to work with my own internet marketing coaches over at the 100K Alliance to get all the help, support, motivation, and information that you need basically to build your online income up to 10K per month, then check out the first link in the description to check that out. But I'll chat to you soon, mate. Take care.